G'day everyone, welcome back to the shed. Today we're going to do a quick and easy mod for the mounting system for the GPS on the CFMOTO 450 MT. So as you can see at the moment, I've got my ride system mounted to the, mounting bracket that supports the front windscreen. It works out pretty well for road use, but if you're going off-road, because this windscreen is adjustable, you can move it up and down. There is a bit of play in that windscreen, and so when you're going off-road, it ends up rattling the whole windscreen support, and then it ends up rattling the GPS unit as well. So I got a quick and easy mod today, something I picked up off of AliExpress. I'm actually really impressed with it. So it's a CNC, I believe it's CNC cut bracket support that mounts on top of essentially the dashboard on the bike, and then you can mount your GPS unit to that. So this is a 12mm rod which goes through between the two support brackets, which is the same as on the standard bike. So if you have anything fitted to your bike at the moment that adapts to that diameter of 12mm, it'll work on this as well. But overall, I mean, it's powder coated. The only thing I thought it might be is etched where it says 450 MT, but I actually think that is just printed. As you can see there in the reflection, there's no difference to the surface, so that's just a print. But other than that, I mean, the powder coating is high quality. The finish on all the pieces is really good. It's all solid aluminium, and even just the recess for all the mounting points as well. And these little guys that come down here and they'll locate on the dash, that's a really nice touch as well. So for what it cost me, which was not much at all, including delivery, it's a pretty good bit of kit. And I think long term, I'll be glad I've got this rather than relying on the windscreen, which is a bit flimsy for mounting anything significant. With the kit, it also came with a couple of screws as well. So they're extended based on the originals, just because you do have a bit of extra thickness here. But all in all, really impressed with that. So let's get it fitted and see how it goes. All right, so there you go. That's what it looks like with it fitted. Mounts very securely. Pretty happy with that. Again, just takes the factory holes with the new screws, which is good. And it does show they have thought this through, because you can see here where this notch is cut out here. So it gives you total freedom to move that screen up and down. As it lowers down into the lowest position, it sits in nicely in that little notched out section there. So yeah, they've clearly thought about it when they put it together, and I'm happy so far. So there you go, brackets all fitted up. pretty inconspicuous there. And most importantly, you can bring the windscreen all the way down with no issues. Whereas before, if I tried to bring it down, this GPS system would interfere with that lower screen. So yep, problem solved, pretty happy with that. Only cost me 17 bucks on AliExpress. I'll put a link in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. But for a few dollars, I think it's well worth it, and gets off the windscreen because that's not really meant to mount anything significant. So yep, happy days. All right, cheers guys, see ya.